Today, we're diving into some exciting updates from Figma that are going to revolutionize your design process. Let's get started. Figma has completely redesigned its editor UI. The most noticeable update is the new, modern, yet minimal interface. The toolbar is now located at the bottom instead of the top, and there are a few new exciting tools that we'll cover later. But don't worry, the overall structure of the panel remains intact, so you don't need to relearn everything. Please note that not all Figma users currently have access to these changes, as they will be gradually rolled out over the next few months. The upcoming update focuses on auto layout. For those who struggle with organizing components using auto layout, Figma has added auto layout suggestions. Figma will recommend the best frame structures to ensure responsiveness. This feature also applies to larger parts of your design, like entire pages. However, keep in mind that the accuracy may vary with larger elements. Now, let's discuss Figma's latest AI features aimed at accelerating design processes and enhancing workflow. When you're starting with a blank page, the AI can help you by generating an initial design, which can kickstart your creative process. If you need to rename all your layers, the AI can do it with just one click, saving you the tedious task of manual renaming. Moreover, the AI is capable of rewriting content, so you won't have to spend time drafting descriptions and titles during the early design stages. The one-click prototype feature is a fantastic AI tool that automatically connects your pages, saving you a lot of time. You can use the translate option to view your design in different languages and make it more accessible across various languages. Additionally, Figma has partnered with Apple and Google to provide their official UI kits in the Assets panel, which is a great addition for designers who want to adhere closely to these platforms' design guidelines. Let's discuss Dev Mode. In Dev Mode, new statuses such as edited and completed have been introduced to facilitate communication of changes and readiness, thereby supporting a more seamless development process. Additionally, you now have the ability to view your designs on any screen size using the new responsive prototype viewer experience, which is a highly anticipated feature that I know you've been eagerly awaiting. Figma has recently launched a new product called Figma Slides. It is the first presentation tool specifically designed for designers and their teams. Figma Slides makes it easy to collaborate on narratives, engage the audience, and create impressive slide decks. With features like auto layout, advanced properties, and shared libraries, you can incorporate prototyping options within your slides. This allows you to copy a prototype of your design and paste it into your slides, enabling interactive presentations for both you and your audience. You can gather real-time feedback from your audience by using polls and alignment scales. Additionally, you can switch to design mode to edit your slides just like in the editor. Moreover, the AI Adjust Tone option allows you to customize the tone of your text to be shorter or longer and more professional or casual. Figma's latest updates are truly game-changing. Be sure to explore these new features and integrate them into your workflow. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more design tutorials.